Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. And if you had a chance to listen to the whisper yesterday, told you to keep an eye on a couple of stocks. But I'll be honest with you guys, yesterday the market barely moved. It was one of those very, very tough trading days. If you could find one great trade yesterday, that was great, which we did. But unfortunately, the whispers didn't really move too much. So we had to rely on the prints coming in. So we spoke about EMC and that we were bullish above this 28 level. And you can see it did pop a little bit, but did not move all too much. I was bearish on Intel below 35. And it did right at the bell break down, but you can see then it came back up and held 35, and that was a very strong level. Bullish above on that one. Also told you to keep an eye on Deutsche Bank, and I was bearish below 14. You could see it barely moved. And the big winner yesterday was Bank of America, which was my whisper the day before, right? Still love this. My traders in the boot camp class were rocking this. We had spotted early morning prints at $14.05. And as you can see, this thing just blasted higher. And that leads me to my trader of the day. His name is Stanley. And Stanley, fantastic trading in boot camp. He showed amazing discipline, really great scaling techniques. And I do have to mention a shout out to Lise. She's a new trader. And she rocked Bank of America as well, so great trading, Lise. All right, so what are we watching today? Not really loving all too much, but I got to show you some sell prints I spotted yesterday. And this is my LiveVol Pro software on GDXJ. We spotted these 800,000 share prints at $47.96. And we were bearish below, and you can see that gold has been coming down. Let me just put up GDXJ, right? I always draw a line where the prints are, and it closed below, which is always bearish and coming down. So I personally like to trade GDX because it's a little bit lower priced. And I drew some trend lines here. And now look, I'm bullish long term, but bearish short term. Okay, as long as I see sell prints, we're definitely going to move down to demand area. And we spotted prints on GDX yesterday at $29.70. Now my whisper the other day, I was bearish below $29.75. And you can see that we're way below that. We should find some support at 29, but there's still a lot more room to go down till we hit this lower channel here. So definitely going to be trading this today in the Java Pit. And of course in Bootcamp. Come watch me trade this along with my fantastic traders at the Java Pit Trading Room, www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.